I'll show you. It's a nice.
It's a really nice like pre-show. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one thing there. Look at it. Like the hunch and the hunch. Yeah, go straight through.
Yeah.
Yeah, he saw a video.
Yeah, dude.
Up to your haunted mansion, and it was because of the new guy.
It tricked me.
Well, howdy, everybody. It's me, employee of the club.
Oh, because it does move around a lot. No, I don't think it was your back.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Hey, Mick and Lynn. Sure to take good care of our friends. Come on, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch.
She was meditating.
You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
Railroad representative arrives to assist you. Thank you.
Good morning. We're here in Hollywood Studios and we just finished riding the Mickey ride and we got stuck for like 20 minutes. Oh, what group did you get?
I got you guys group 2.
can see that bad boy.
Again. There. I wanted for boarding when like.
So, rides and resistance was down. I guess.
At least we can come back whenever we want.
Yeah. So, well, we got boarding pass too. It's still pretty cool. They're boarding people back into Star Wars. Christy's a happy creepy. Putting stuff away.
No, grabbing my phone.
But yeah, we're on our way now to Rise of the Resistance. Let's go.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line them and I shall personally see them delivered. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary distances at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is under the control of the First Order. One group at a time will disembark and head to interrogation. Starting with the two of you.
And the rest ceases to amaze me. Wrong way. Every time, man.
The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority right. Detachment to level D.
Oh, we're going the other side.
There they are. Fire! These state blocks just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for response.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
I remember those, Tony.
Do you really?
Several times.